3D printing is in most places where you wouldn't often look. The majority of it's in manufacturing, a lot of it's in education. The exciting part with that is that all of those young students are taking it into the workforce. With companies that are doing manufacturing, they have to outsource their prototyping, and that's an expense along with time in getting it to market. Their number one goal is to get the product to market, and so if they bring 3D printing in-house, then they're able to get their product into the market faster. We offer traditional 3D printers and also new upcoming cutting-edge technologies. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it's the return on investment as far as materials go, you're getting a much better product. We really like to keep our services and the hardware that we sell locally so that we can actually be there to support the customer. A lot of times you have people selling out of state, but they're not there to be able to support it. You're talking about a long distance relationship. What excites me most about 3D printing is the ceiling is so high and we are at the bottom level of it. What excites me most about ImageNet is we're a very forward-thinking company. We are never complacent when it comes to technology. We started off as a typewriter company and we've gone through a period of time where we were a copier company, and now we are a technology company where it's not just we're a master of one, we're a master of many things. The amount of leadership that we have here that is constantly looking at new technologies and things that we can embrace moving into the future. We don't know what we'll be doing tomorrow.
We've grown our business year after year after year for the last 10 years. We're always looking for the latest and greatest technologies. I'm excited the direction we're going, the leaders that we have inside our organization. I like where they're headed.
When it comes to 3D printing, we are going into industries that we never thought we'd be part of. With all the different things that we're doing here, I really do think it is sky's the limit.